BayCare is the largest not-for-profit health system in the Tampa Bay area. Inherent in who we are, it's in our DNA, is giving back to the community, which is why we identified very specific community health needs, one of those being food insecurity. So BayCare decided to partner with our largest food assistance organization, Feeding Tampa Bay, to bring food into schools across our footprint, and that program is called Feeding Minds.
Well, we know that 1 in 4 children in our community struggle with food insecurity, and in localized communities, that number is often much, much higher. And it can be time-consuming and expensive to go get the support that you need, and a school pantry brings support right where a family already is. So I think Feeding Tampa Bay came to the forefront, and BayCare right alongside. BayCare's been a fantastic partner.
The BayCare partnership with Feeding Minds is stocking 18 food pantries across 4 counties. These aren't just canned goods. This is fresh produce, frozen meats, fresh breads, and those non-perishable things that you can hold on to for a long time.
The Feeding Minds program has been a huge asset to the families and students here at Eisenhower. We're not only feeding our students' tummies, we're feeding their brains. This food is giving them energy to perform better in the classroom, and we're seeing them more focused, more alert in the classroom, ready to learn all that their teacher has to offer them.
As of today, our support has equated to over 167,000 meals to families in our community. And our team members, our entire organization are so excited to be able to contribute to this and make a difference in people's lives every day.
I know that our families here at Eisenhower will be forever grateful for our partnership with BayCare and how you all are serving us. We thank you and we appreciate it very much.